Hello, good evening, my dear students. Am I audible? Please show your thumbs up if you can hear me. Thumbs up, yes. And you know the rule of class now? Thumbs up with badi wali smile. Yes, okay. And today, your most awaited drawing, that is Mother's Day drawing, we will be coloring. Okay, and tomorrow is Mother's Day. So this drawing is incomplete without your beautiful lines. Okay, so you will be writing some very beautiful lines for your mom and one more gift. Okay, the best gift you can give, that I will be telling you in my story. Okay, so shall we start? Chalo, let's start. Let's get started. So see, last class we learned this drawing using letters and numbers, and then we gave outline. Now after giving outline, shall I start coloring? Shall I start coloring? Thumbs up or thumbs down? No. Shall I erase first? Yes, correct answer. I shall erase my extra lines. Okay. So I will take eraser and very gently I will erase extra lines and make my drawing absolutely clean. And see, while erasing, you are supposed to be very much careful. Okay, you will not erase carelessly. Otherwise, what can happen? Your paper can be crushed or it can be teared. So you are supposed to be very much careful while erasing. Very gently you will be erasing. Okay. Chalo, erase all extra lines and make your drawing clean. Everywhere, okay, you will erase. And now see, all dust is there, na, erase, remove. I will clean it by removing it out of my table. Okay. And see, today we need watercolors and earbud also, okay? Earbud and watercolors. So is water container ready? Huh? Water container is ready or earbud? If you don't have, then it's okay. You can simply do colors. Okay. The students who don't have watercolors, don't worry. You can simply do colors with whatever color medium you have. So if you have, it's okay. If you don't have, then also not to worry. Chalo, let's get started. First of all, I will take pink and skin color. Pink and skin color. Come on, take two colors. Those who don't have skin color, they can simply use light orange. Okay, take these two colors, pink and skin. Okay, these are two colors. Take and with this pink, I will be making circles. Okay, we know for showing female face or girl's face, even a child, if you are making a small child, so you can show this pink circle for boy also. Okay, I will be making two circles for mom and Ayushi. Okay, and this is a very nice story. I will be sharing the story also of the drawing, and this story will give you great idea what special gift you can give to your mom, which will make her really happy. Let me see how many of you really want to give a very special surprise gift. Show a thumbs up. Let me see how many of you want to give a very special surprise gift to your mom. Okay, so in this story, you will listen that what can be that surprise gift which is going to make your mom more than happy. Okay, I just make this kind of pink circles for Ayushi and Mama. Okay, if you want to show for boy also, Rohan also, you can try, otherwise you can skip. See, this is for close-up view. It is close-up view. Okay. All of you make this directly. Directly make circle with pink. Now, I will come on my second color. Okay. Now, second color. How to hold color? You will be holding your color just like a pencil. As you hold pencil now, and make sure your color should not be very blunt. It should not be very blunt. If it is blunt, immediately sharp it. Okay, sharp, it doesn't mean you will make a very pointed beak. No, little sharp. Okay, just move 2 or 3 rounds and it will be sharp. Okay, so now what mistake students do? They always start their coloring from center, which is wrong. You will start your coloring from a corner. Yes, here. Okay, you can start from here, you can start from here also, or here also, but you will not start from center. Okay, so these are small, and move in small strokes. No big strokes. Okay, the second mistake students do, they go for big strokes. And third mistake, they put lots of pressure on their colors. Lots of pressure. We should not do this. Hai na? You should not do this. You will be going for small strokes, one direction, small strokes, one direction, small strokes, one direction. And this way, sleeping lines. Normally, students, what they do, when they find limited space, now they change their direction. If they find limited space, they will go for standing line. But you will not do. Everywhere, whether the space is big or small, you will go for sleeping line only. And you can see, all of you see once, I'm repeating every stroke 4 times. I'm not putting pressure on my color. Every stroke 4 times. So when you will be doing this phase, now, there will be no lines and colors will look very, very even. Even output you will get. Okay, see. So I will start with the story. So this is the story of Ayushi and Rohan and their mom, Angelina. Okay, in the family, mama, papa, dadaji, dadiji, grandmama and grandfather was also there in family. And it was a very happy family. And they were very much attached with their grandmama. Grandmama was sharing stories with Ayushi and Rohan. And since childhood, they were respecting their grandparents and mom and every time. So one day, this Mother's Day was about to come. Okay, so Mother's Day was about to come and they were planning what to do. They just went to grandma and they asked, Grandma, we have only this much of money. Okay, in Rohan's piggy bank, we have 200 rupees. In my piggy bank, I have 150 rupees. And we were planning to give a sari, but this time we won't be able to get a sari. Can we do something very amazing? We want to gift something very, very special, which will make our mom really happy, because in this much amount, I don't think a very nice gift we will be able to manage with, because the amount is very small. So will you please give us some suggestion? Huh? So see, this way is sleeping lines. Everywhere, sleeping lines. Without changing direction. Finish till end. Okay. Now see, without changing direction, I completed my skin color and it is looking so nice. If I would have changed direction though, the output would be very untidy. Okay. Always keep one thing in mind, whether it is heart, whether this is hair, whether it is circle, whether it is rectangle, every time you will start your coloring from a corner, not from center. Then second thing, you will not go for big strokes. You will not put pressure. Okay. So this way is I completed face. So they were talking. Okay, now I will complete neck also. Same way, sleeping lines. Okay, let's complete neck of mom also. Yes, Ishika, your guess is correct. Ishika Jain. Okay, so see, let's keep the name of this mom, Lena. Okay, let's give her my name. So the name of mom is Lena. Okay, so what happened then? They started asking, we want to give a very special surprise which will give true happiness to our mom's face. What can we do? We don't have limited amount. Amma. They were calling Dadi Amma. Okay, they were calling her their grandparent Amma and Baba. Okay, so see this face. I will complete neck. Let's start with girls' face. Acha, girls team, please guide me. Shall I start my coloring from here, girls team? Shall I start from here? No. Shall I start from eyes? Eyes? From top of the... Shall I start from the corner? Correct answer. See, girls team, very confident. Within fraction of seconds, they give answers. Full 10 marks. Boys team, ready? Boys team, are you ready? Show thumbs up. Shall I put lots of pressure on my color? Shall I put lots of pressure on my color? No. Okay, shall I go for big strokes? Big strokes? No. Shall I go for small strokes, one direction? Correct answer. So boys team also got full marks. I will go for small strokes, one direction, gentle strokes, but I will be repeating every stroke 4 times. Okay, so when they all went for a genuine advice to their amma, that is grandma, they asked, Amma, please advise us what we can do. We have limited money in our piggy bank and Mother's Day is coming. We want to make our Mother's Day very, very special. So, you know, grandma, Amma gave a very good advice. Now you all listen to this advice carefully. You can also gift this to your mom. And believe me, your mom will be more than happy. Okay. Now, what advice they ask him? Amma, please tell us. But do you know now? We have only 350 rupees. So Amma said, you know what? You will not have to spend even a single penny for this kind of gift. And believe me, your mom will be more than happy. Keep doing work also, okay? Listen story and keep doing work. Okay? Yes. So they asked him, Amma, please tell us, what is that gift? What is that gift? So Amma said, Acha Rohan, you tell me. For what Mama always tell you, what work Mama always tell you to do? So Rohan start remembering, yes, Mama always tell me to do my homework on time, keep my books at proper place, and finish my food. I always leave my green vegetables on dining table. So Amma said, yes. To give a promise. If you really want to gift something to your mom, you know what your mom is expecting from you. Just make a card and write a promise on it. Mama, I'm promising you. This is a gift, a promise. You can gift a promise. I'm promising you, I will not leave my food. I will keep my books at proper place. I will do my homework every day. And believe me, mom will be more than happy. Rohan said, yes, I can do this much for my mom. Amma, are you sure Mama will be very much happy? Amma said, for very sure, 100% sure. Then she asked Ayushi, now you tell what Mama always tell you to do. So Ayushi said, okay, after doing this, let's complete Rohan. I will start from corner. Okay, from here only. Chalo, let's do. We will keep doing also, okay? So Amma said, now you tell me, Ayushi, what Mama always want you to do. So Ayushi replied, ki Mama always want me to do small helps. And sometimes when she's in kitchen and the family is eating in drawing room, sometimes she asked me to serve chapatis, garma garam chapatis. And sometimes she asked me to water the plants. But many times I ignore. Whereas I would love to play, so I ignore. And they both collectively say, Amma, and we realize one more thing. Sometimes we are loud also. So what to do? So Amma said, yes, you can promise your mom that you will not do this. Nothing else can be great gift except gifting a promise, which your mom wants from you. And we all know what Mama expect from us. We know Mama want us to eat healthy food. We know Mama want us to see less TV and play outdoor. Mama want little help. Mama want your homework to be completed on time. So grandma said to gift a promise. Okay, can you do this? So they both said yes. If our mom will be happy for this, we will gift a promise this time. They made the lovely card they are learning, and on this card. Now let's complete hands also. And on that, they write their promise. Very good. It is so beautifully done. Show, all of you, show me. I want to check faces. Very good. It's so beautifully done. Lovely. Okay. So this is that surprise gift. If you really want to gift something, write on this card, back side. Okay. Mama, I'm gifting you a promise. I will listen you. I will obey you. I will spend less time on mobile. Or I will finish my food. I will eat a fruit every day. I will keep my books at proper place. Small promises, not big. You're not supposed to make big promise. A very small promise, which you feel your mom expect from you. Okay? So, and they did this. They made a card Okay, they both made a card and in that they write promise. Ayushi write, Mama, I'm promising you. I will help you in all works. And I will never fight with Rohan. Okay, because this was also a promise Mama wanted. Ki Ayushi and Rohan, they should not fight. Okay, they should stay united. Sometimes it happens that we keep fighting with our siblings. But this is the main headache for every mom. So if you are elder one, take good care of your younger one. And if you are younger one, be respectful to the elder one. So they both write or give a promise to in their card that we will never fight now. Okay, never. We will be united. We will be in harmony. We will help each other, but we will never fight. And next day, what happened, Next day was Mother's Day. And they were knowing that Mama loved fresh flowers. So they just put alarm, okay? And they wake up at 5 o'clock, early morning, 5. See, I'm completing hands of Rohan and Mama in one direction. Move your colors in one direction. Okay, the skin color part is done. All of you do? Okay? Yes. So here we completed skin color in both. Now the final day when Mother's Day was there. So they put alarm, they went in their lawn and collected some flowers and made a lovely handmade bouquet. And when Mama wake up, they just wish Mother's Day, gave a hug and kisses to Mom and gave the card. And Mama when opened card, Mama's eyes were filled with tears. She was very happy and she just hold kids tight to her, hugged them and said, you know what, Ayushi and Rohan, this is the best gift you have ever given me. Okay, this promise that you will not fight with your younger one or your elder one. You will keep your books at proper place. You will do your homework. You will help me. You will not shout at me. This is the best gift. So do you want to give a special gift to your mom? Yes? Show thumbs up. So gift a promise and you know what your mom expects from you. So you can gift a small promise, not a big one, okay? Small promise. So on this card, you will be writing a promise also, okay? Now see the space, hand, make is ready. And that is the surprise gift. I was telling you now, in story, I will be sharing that what surprise gift you can give. So see, this is all about, and see, although we are celebrating Mother's Day once a year, but actually in India, we celebrate Mother's Day every day. And we wish mother every day. We greet mother every day. We take care of mother every day. So in India, every day is Mother's Day. Okay, now see, after this, we will be making mom's hair. And I want to make mom's hair black. Okay, now see, in this, I will be teaching you 3 kinds of hair. Okay, 3 kinds of hair. Black, brown, and blackish brown. Okay, 3 phase. So you will be learning that how you can make your drawing beautiful. Okay, done? Show your thumbs up if you have done. Show thumbs up. So black, brown, and start with black. Okay, see, my black is very blunt. So I shall not use this kind of blunt colors. I will take my sharpener and 2 or 3 rounds, not much. 2 or 3 rounds are enough. Okay. Yes. And now my color is sharp. I will start. Now from where you will start? You will start from a corner. Go for this kind of lines. I'm showing mom's hair black. Come on. Small strokes, one direction. Small strokes, one direction. Keep moving, keep moving. And when they saw that Mama is very happy to get this gift, they just, then Mama asked, tell me one thing honestly, who gave this idea? Then they revealed that Amma gave this idea. And they went to Amma to just say thanks, to show gratitude for giving such great idea for making Mother's Day special. So believe me, students, you can make your mom more than happy. See, after completing this part, you will start from here. You will start from a corner. First, give the outlines. Okay. So, you know what? See, God wanted to be with every child because every child needs lots of care, lots of care. Every child needs a mentor who can help in studies. Every child want a good cook which can cook healthy food so that the child's growth is ensured. But God can't be everywhere. So God made mom. God created mom and said ki you are the only one who can take care of a child like me, like God. So from today onwards, you are God of every child. So you know what? God can't be everywhere. And because of this, God created mom. So those who disrespect their moms, those who shout sometimes, those who are loud, those who don't help, God never like this kind of people. They're collecting. So always be very much respectful to everyone. Okay, everyone, every elder and the younger one. Your uncle, auntie, grandpapa, grandfather, grandmom. Give respect to everyone because each human life is respectful. So see now this hair, I started from the corner. I'm going in one direction. I will complete here with black, small strokes, one direction, and this way. I will finish here. Come on, do small strokes. See, I'm not going for big strokes, okay? You can see my strokes are very small. I'm holding my color like a pencil. And this is black color, okay? Black, okay? And I will make ponytails. I will start from here, from this corner, okay? So this is the story and you can even take idea from my story. Write a promise on this card, okay? At the play, you write, love you, mom, you are best mom. This is okay, but you will gift a promise also, okay? So as your small promise will make your mama more than happy. So this was the story. How many of you like story? Show a thumbs up with a badi wali smile if you like the story. Okay, so see, this story will be very helpful for making your Mother's Day very special. So this is a small standing line. And this ways you will keep let's complete the hairstyle by moving our colors in one direction, okay? Small strokes, one direction. No repeat every stroke 4 times. You can see me. Every time I repeat every stroke 4 times. Okay, let's continue this ways. And finish this ponytail. Okay, although we can try any other hairstyle also, but we will be making this ways. So see, after completing this, let's decide a color for mom's gown. Okay, so I think before that, we will complete hair of Ayushi also. Okay, let's make hair of Ayushi with brown. I will take dark brown. Okay, dark brown color. You can take normal brown also, brown. And you will be learning 3 kinds of hair in one single drawing. Okay, so whenever you are making drawing, you can try this kind of experiments. Okay, normally we feel that only one color will look good in when we want to show hair, but it is not like that. Okay, take dark brown color and start with Ayushi. Same ways, you start from here. This is dark brown color. Now Ayushi's hair, I want to show brown. Okay, start from here. Come on, small strokes, one direction. Repeat every stroke 4 times. No pressure on your color. Gently, without changing direction, I will finish this part of hairline. Come on, okay? And here for Ayushi's hair, I have taken brown. Okay. Technique is same. Okay. As we made for Mama's hair now. Now I will start from here. And in Rohan's hair, we will be mixing two colors. Okay. We will mix two colors in Rohan's hair. So you will see, and you can try any technique whenever you want to make any drawing. So you can try this kind of, any kind of hairstyle. In one drawing, I will teach you golden hair also. Okay. Suppose you are making a Barbie doll or any other. So in that, you can use golden hair also. For that also, we mix two colors. We will be learning that, okay, very soon. Yes. So I'm doing brown, and I will start in this hair also by moving a color from a corner. Small strokes, make sure small strokes in one direction. You will not change direction, okay? Very gently, smoothly, you will go in one direction. Okay, very gently. Okay. And this ways I completed Ayushi's hair with brown color. Okay. Small, small strokes. When I didn't change direction of colors anywhere. And as I maintain direction of colors in one direction, you can see how neat and tidy it's looking. Hannah? Yes, continue. All of you do. Keep doing. Show me your work, all of you. Please lift up your files. Show me. Very good. So beautifully done. Lovely. Okay. So we learn black hair. We learn brown hair. Now one more kind of hair we will be learning. And for that, we will be mixing brown and black. We will be mixing two colors. Okay. Brown and black. How to make that? I will be showing you. First, done. First, show me your thumbs up. You all have done in Ayushi's hair. Show thumbs down if you want me to wait for you. Thumbs down. No one? Okay. Devanshi Sagar is showing thumbs down. Yes, I'm waiting, Devanshi. Thumbs up. Okay. Okay, fine. So everyone is showing thumbs up. And now let's come to Rohan's hair. Now in Rohan's hair, I will be mixing brown and black. First, I will take brown color. You can take any brown, dark or light. Okay. How to do? Standing lines. Now first, I will be moving brown color in standing lines. Okay. Start from this corner and move in standing lines for showing Rohan's hair. Okay. Yes. Small, small strokes, one direction. Small strokes, one direction. Almost same as we did in Ayushi's hair. But here we will be mixing two colors and it will have a very special kind of texture. Okay. So in your drawings, whenever you make, you can go for any. You can go for black hair, brown hair. So first you will do brown color in Rohan's hair. Okay. Still brown. And now over brown. Now I will move my black over brown. Okay. Chalo, same ways. I will start from here and I will try to move my black over brown. Okay, now what is happening? Brown is already there. So brown is not permitting black to be dark. So this ways you will find a lovely mixture of black and brown. And this ways the hair, you can see the color of hair is blackish brown. Okay. This is also one way of showing hair. Mixing of black and brown. So see black hair, brown hair, and blackish brown. Okay, brownish black or blackish brown. This ways, three style of coloring we learn. Okay. How many of you got the method of making hair in three ways? Huh? You got it? Okay, show your file. I want to check it again that how the mixing happened. Shabash. Very good. Okay. So these are 3 ways. Golden hair is also there. For that we use yellow ochre color. That we will learn in some other drawings. Okay. So now hair are done. Now mama's gown I want to make bright yellow. Let's take bright yellow color. Okay. Chalo. You can take any. Now you just remember your mom's favorite gown or favorite sari. Okay. You can do that color. And from where you will start? You will start from a corner. Here. Yellow. Small, small standing lines. You will not change direction. Yes, tomorrow is Mother's Day. And see, your drawing will get complete today. So after completing drawing, don't forget, remember a promise you are going to gift to your mom. Write it on it. Okay. And you will see that your mom will be more than happy tomorrow. Okay. And promise, it doesn't mean you will write and give. You are supposed to implement also. You are supposed to fulfill also. Okay. The promise you are giving, you will fulfill that promise. See, standing lines. I'm not changing direction of my coloring. I want to make mom's gown with yellow color. Okay. Complete gown with yellow. And I'm going to make patterns with earbud. Okay. I will be making pattern in mom's gown with earbud. Standing line, I will not change direction here also. Standing line. And this is a mom's very favorite gown with this bright yellow color. Okay. Yes. Small, small strokes. We will not go for big strokes. Otherwise, the drawing will spoil. Okay. Small strokes, and repeat every stroke gently 4 times. Okay. When you will repeat, your output will be very even and appealing. Small strokes, one direction. You can do orange also. If you want to make your mom's gown with orange, yes, you can try. If you want to use purple color, yes, you can try. Any color, pink color, you can try. Okay. So you just remember your mom's favorite sari or gown and you can do the same color here. Okay. Just because this is your mom, this card is your card. Okay. Many of you made single child because you are imbibing your family. Thank you so much for your wishes. Many of you are wishing me in advance Mother's Day. Thank you so much. Lots of blessings to everyone. And see, this ways I will be completing yellow. Okay, although I'm going to make some pattern, but that I will be doing with earbud. Okay. So this yellow gown is done. Ayushi's dress. Let's make Ayushi's dress pink, dark pink. And Rohan's dress, let's make it sky blue. And you can try any color. See here, you are free with your color scheme. You can try any color. Okay. So I'm going to do red in pink in Ayushi's dress. Very small part of Ayushi's dress is visible. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone, for your lovely wishes. Okay. Now see, I did pink here. And for clothes, you are free. You can use any color scheme. Okay. There is no foundation. You will be using the same color. If you want to use your color scheme, you can try. I will be doing sky blue color. I will start from the corner. See, all of you see from where I'm starting. I'm starting my sky blue color from a corner. Okay, standing lines. We will not do it from middle. And using the standing line, I will complete the sky blue color in Rohan's dress. Okay, Rohan's t-shirt, I want to show sky blue. Okay. And this way, this complete family is been colored. Lift up your files. I want to check the work. Very good. It's so beautifully done. Shabash. Okay, and here I can see Amrit made lovely patterns in dress, like Mama's dress with heart-shaped pattern. And we are going to make pattern with earbuds. Okay, we are going to use earbud now. So we will be making patterns with that. Lovely. Very good. Okay, now let's complete our heart shapes with pink. Okay, you can take dark pink, you can take light pink, any, and red also. You can take red also. Colorful hearts also you can make, okay? So always start from a corner. We know now, I will start from here. Small strokes, one direction. No big strokes, no force on color. Gently, one direction. Continue, continue, and continue. Okay, here also you can take any color of your choice. Okay, you can make hearts colorful. I'm going to take pink, dark pink, and red. Okay, you can try any other color also. So see, this ways I'm completing this complete background. One direction, okay? Pink heart. This is dark pink color and a magenta. And I will be making small hearts with red. One can be made with light pink also or any other color. Okay, and we will pick up a very different color for background, which we have not used anywhere. So I think green. Okay, we will take green for background. You can try other color also. Okay, see. So this ways, in this complete drawing, I haven't used green. So green will be best for background, okay? Because brown, if I use, the hair brown. If I use orange or yellow, so yellow is gown. And a blue, if I use, the dress is blue. So green is a color which I have not used. So green. Show me your work first. Lift up your files. All of you. It's beautifully done. Lovely. I can see colorful dresses of mom. And many of you have done rainbow colors. Wow. Great. Here I can see it, Galaxy A10. This is a light violet color and yellow color. Wow, very good. These both color schemes. I don't know your name. Galaxy 10 I can read. Lovely. Both brother and sister. You both have done great coloring. Good. Shabash. Okay, now let's take green and start from corner. Never start from center. Start from corner and small lines. Okay, we will complete our circle. And see, now in this circle, so many hearts will come in middle, but you will not change direction. Normally, what students do, when anything come in middle, they change direction. Then they change this way, but we will not do. We will keep standing line only. Chalo, let's do. And see, I'm not going for big strokes. My strokes are very small. Small strokes, one direction. Small strokes, one direction. Continue, continue. Continue, hold your color like a pencil. As you hold your pencil, same ways. And finish this completely with green. Okay? You can do it with green. You can try purple, any color. And when I was looking at, many students tried many different colors. You can also try. So this is green. See, everywhere I'm moving in standing line. I'm not changing direction. Come on, let's do. See, I use Camel plastic crayons. Okay, this is the brand I use. Okay, this is the color. Tamil plastic crayons. Okay. And now, with help of small strokes, one direction, continue, continue. I will be completing this complete background. You can, if you want to make stripes, you can make stripes also. If you want to mix some colors in background, you can try. Why I use green? Because green I have not used in any object of this circle. So your background always should be of the color which you have not used in the objects. Okay. So it add a, what happened when your focus is here. Otherwise, if you will use the same colors in background, so the focus will shift. Okay. The main drawing will not get highlighted. Okay. So just to keep main drawing highlighted, we always use a very contrast or different color for background. Small, small strokes, one direction. See, I'm not changing my direction of coloring anywhere. Everywhere, standing lines, everywhere. Continue. Yes, keep doing, keep doing. Okay, yes. I will finish this complete background with this kind of, yes. See here also, I will not change direction. Normally what students do, very limited space, they will start moving this way. This mistake students do, which we should not do. Okay, children? We will not do this kind of mistakes. We will keep our direction one direction. We will continue, we'll finish and see the whole circle. Yes, I'm waiting. You continue. You continue. Okay? We are simply doing colors in this complete circle. Okay? Without changing direction, I will do it. There are many green in your color kit. Sap green is there, shiny green is there. So you can try any other color also. So this ways I will complete this whole circle. Okay? Yes. Here also. Small strokes, one direction. Okay? To know whether the place is very technical. What students do, they just start moving this direction. Now see, as I maintain my coloring in one direction, the output is looking so clear. And so this is the magic when we don't change direction. Lift up your work and show me, all of you. Continue doing. Yes, continue. I can see yellow color in Ishika Jain's drawing and multicolored dress, rainbow colors. And Amrit, wow, very good. See, such lovely. Here I can see Amora mixed two colors, purple and green for background. Great experiment. See how creative you are. I'm really happy to see orange. Ivan used orange color in background and it's looking amazing. And these all are colorful experiments. Shreyash used blue color, sky blue color in background, looking great. And Shilpa used pink and green, looking great. Wonderful work. And here I can see colorful gowns and different, and here I can use multicolor. It is Kya Kranti. And this Kranti, your name is Kya Kranti. They are multicolored. The stripes are of different colors and it's looking great. Rainbow color stripe in background. Very good. I'm really amazed to see creativity, creative implementations in your drawing. Lovely. Okay. So now see, our main object is ready. And now your most awaited watercolors time is on. Okay. So, many students must be doing colors. Must be doing colors. Finish it. Yes. I'm waiting. Finish. Finish your coloring. Yes. Okay. Finish it without changing direction. The only thing you will keep in mind, you will not change. And by mistake, if you change direction now, so don't worry, you can erase it because plastic crayons you can erase. See, I will show. Suppose by chance, by mistake, you move in different direction, you can erase. See, these colors you can erase also. If your colors are coming out, you can erase it. So make sure you will not change direction. And by mistake, if you have done anything wrong, you can erase, okay, and correct. This is the best part of plastic crayons. And because of this only, we suggest this age group students to use plastic crayons, okay? Yes. So now your most awaited watercolor work will start. And I just normally add watercolors. So there are two reasons behind. First is students love to do watercolors. They just love to play with colors because the flow of watercolors always attract them. So because of this, and secondly, they start getting understanding. Although we are going to do very small amount of watercoloring in this, but it will start giving you understanding with watercolors. Okay. Abhineet, for finding recording, if you will go to the links of class, the place where you get links of class, if you will see, there is one more link and that is link of recording. So after few hours of class, after few hours, when you will click on that link of recording, it will take you to one more link and that is the link where you will get recording, okay? But you will have to wait for few hours because first we get recording from Zoom and then we upload, okay? So it is not immediately after class, few hours. Sometimes it is immediate, we get within 2 or 3 hours. Sometimes it takes 5 to 6 hours and sometimes for 24 hours also. So the moment we get, we upload. Okay, this is the procedure. Done? Show your thumbs up. Show your thumbs up if done. And this is Punya. Wow, very good. Colorful dress of this child is looking great. Great work. All of you have done. Chalo, now watercolor work. Ready? Show your thumbs up with Badi Wali smile. Ready for watercolors? Amora, you can give a bigger smile. Yes. Chalo. So mom's earring we are going to do with earbud. Okay. Mom's earring we will be doing with earbud. So let's wind up our plastic crayons and take out cotton and earbud and watercolors. And watercolors also. So I will be taking cotton. Okay. And I will love to take, you can take orange, you can take red, any color you can take, any color of your choice. So I will be taking this beautiful coral pink color. You can try pink, you can try yellow ochre, you can try red, it is salmon pink. Any color of your choice you can try. Red you can try. Let's do one thing. Let's take a very common color. Okay, then let's take orange. And if you have done background orange, then you can take any other color. I have pink also. This is a beautiful pink color. I have this also. So we can take pink also or orange also. So let's take orange. Okay, orange will look bright. So here again, you are free with your color schemes. And after looking at your implementation, your creative implementation, I'm really amazed. And I will suggest now what to do. Take your water container and dip your cotton in it. Come on, do it yourself. Dip your cotton in water. Okay. And now take it out. Take it out. And now remove, squeeze, remove water. Remove water. Okay, very little water should remain in your cotton. Okay. Now with help of earbud or with help of paintbrush, you will open your orange color. As I'm going to do orange color, I will take orange on it. Take orange. Take orange. Okay. And I will now, okay, hold, done. All of you have done this much. Now, how will you move? See, very carefully. Very carefully. First, you will move around. your circle. Come on, move around your circle. Same here, okay? Very carefully, you will be moving around your circle. Okay? If you feel that color is finished, you need to take more. So you can take little more color. Okay? Chalo, move around, give a frame. Very carefully, okay? You will be moving your cotton around. You can take little more color on your cotton. And now you will go right one. Okay? Move it around carefully. Don't worry. Okay? If somewhere it is going little bit inside, or don't worry. Bas, very good. Now, done. Very good. Move around. You can do it. Yes. Now I will write one. All of you see how? Done? Yes. Do it first. Do it first. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. All around. You can take any color. Now you will start writing one. See, all of you see from where? You will start moving it one, one, one. And here your one will become small. Otherwise it will go. Finish this upper part. Don't go round. Simply straight lines. You know, this is the best technique for giving wash. If you're making charts and all now, so that background color cotton is best to give wash. Okay. Simply move straight lines. Okay, simply. One. Start from the corner of your page. Now, hold it and do it. And without any fear that it will be spoiled, don't have any fear. Okay, nothing will be spoiled. Be confident. Because this is a learning process. If we will spoil, then only we will learn. So don't have fear of spoiling things. Okay? Yes. And this ways you will complete. Now see here, I find a lovely texture. And here it is quite plain. It's okay. And this ways I completed orange color, bright orange. It's looking great, really. Okay, very carefully do. Without any worries. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Aganya, finish. Move it. Just straight lines. Okay, from here up to down. Up to down. Yes. And if you feel that you're finding lines difficult, you can simply go for tap, 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 tap. See, when you do watercolors, okay, watercolor is best for enhancing focus of child. Okay, if you really wish that child's focus should enhance, just give a coloring book and some watercolors. Because during watercolors, the 100% focus of your child, you will observe. So outlines and watercolors are best for enhancing creativity and focus. Okay? Yes, you can simply go for tap, tap, tap technique also. Okay? Yes. Keep doing. Yes, tap, tap also it can be done. Yes, keep doing and don't worry, okay? Just enjoy this coloring. Yes, from here to there. If you feel that your cotton is exhausted, color is less, take little water with help of paintbrush, little cotton water, little color and move. Make sure your touch should be feather touch. You will not be harsh. Otherwise, what can happen? Paper can be teared and paper balls will come. Okay? Just move it gently, gently, feather touch. Okay, feather touch. Yeah, continue. Oh my God, I can see Soham's hands. You are looking like artist, Soham. Hands are completely colorful. And when we become artists, what happened? Colors are on our hands, on our palms, and sometimes on our dress also. So this happens with artists. Those who paint now, It happens with artists. You know what? Every time your body is absorbing colors. Okay? So we and color are one. We are not separate things. Okay. All of you can do. Finish. I'm waiting. Those who have done, they can show thumbs up. I will just check that how many are left. Okay. Thumbs up with smile. Thumbs up with smile. Huh? I want a smile every time when you show thumbs up. Yes. Lovely. I can see red. I can see light pink. I can see blue. I can see purple. I can see maroon. My God, variations, so many colors in background. Great, wonderful work. Pink is looking awesome, lovely. Now, earbud. Now, one more experiment we will be doing, and that is with earbud. For beginners, wherever you feel like to use paintbrush, start with earbud. It is the best for beginners, okay? So what, because you're not supposed to, you simply take color, and the capacity of picking color of this earbud is very limited. So even though you want to take lots of color at a time, no, you won't be able to. You will be able to take limited amount of color. And you simply place it like a pencil and move. So it is very comfortable to use, okay? So if you have some activity pages in your activity book of watercolors, always try earbud, okay? So now let's start with the different color. I want to make earrings with, I shall take, I have white. I will take white and some contrast color for background. Pink can also be taken, white I have. I want to show Mama's earrings, very simple. So take, and you will not take water, okay? If you will take water, you take very limited earrings, okay? I will be making a white dot. I want to make it made with pearl, okay? And I will be making white dots all around, okay? This is your choice. If you want to make very carefully on equal distance, you will be giving it a frame of earbud. So of white I find best. So I'm using white, but you can try any other color also. You can make, if you have stones, this kind of things, you can try these things also for making your card and drawing looking very decorative. So see, this kind of earbud impression will give a lovely frame to my work. Very carefully do this, very carefully. You can even use sketch pen if you want to make some design. Okay, earbud will give it a different touch and sketch colors will be giving a different touch. See, this ways I will be using earbud dots for giving it a frame. Okay, as if this is a photo and you want to frame it. Okay, equal distance. So now for managing equal distance, you can mark first with pencil. Just make dots. If you want to make flower shape all around, so you can make flower shapes also. As frame, I will go for the simplest, and that is simple dots. Okay, all around. Perfect round shaped impression with white I'm getting. Okay, if you feel that I want to take more impressions in this white part, you can add some polka dots here. It's your choice. I will keep only till frame. Okay. And I want to, in the same white. Okay, same white. First do this. Same white, I will take little pink or red. And I will complete mom's dress pattern. I just want to make this kind of polka dots in my mom's gown. Very carefully you can do it. You can skip it also. Okay, if you feel that we don't want to make pattern in mom's dress, so you can skip it also. And this is all about our today's artwork. Say it's over. If you want to make some flowers here and there, some dots, you can try. Okay. So this is our complete artwork of today's Mother's Day special drawing. Okay. And this is optional. Okay. If you don't want to show this frame, you can drop it and you can simply use some patterns with earbuds. And don't forget a promise you're going to write. Okay. And write some lovely lines for your mom. And tomorrow is Mother's Day. And this drawing is ready. You can gift it to your mom. And your mom will be more than happy. Okay? Yes. So, I can see continuously students are completely involved. And students, don't be fearful that it will be spoiled, how it will look. Don't worry. It is so beautifully. Prerna, it's so lovely. Good. Because when you do it with your cute hands, the innocence imbibe. Very well done. Okay, you can try stones. If you have stones, you can do pasting of stones around. Anything can be tried. So this is all about our today's work. And a story I've already shared, the idea which I was having. And with this, I will wind up. I want to check the work. Many students are showing this is amazing and lovely. Great work. Amazing. Okay. Very nice. Very beautiful. So with lots of blessings, I will wind up class. If you enjoyed today's class, show me a big thumbs up with Badi Wali smile. Let me see how many of you enjoyed. Can I see your thumbs up? Yes. Badi Wali smile. Yes. आपके दांत नजर आ सकते हैं उसमें. Yes. Very good. Okay. So with lots of blessings, I will wind up. Don't forget to send your artwork. And yeah, one very important announcement. Students, as this is my Instagram ID. Okay. This is my Instagram ID where you are supposed to send your artwork, because this is the platform where we keep we all are connected. So please send your artworks here. And on the very special offer of ArtGeo, because last year on 20th of April, we started our classes and we are celebrating our birthday. So very special offers are there. If you go for group enrollment, you find those offers. Okay. So offers are amazing. So please be part of that offer. Okay. And enjoy that special concession. Okay, so this is all about. I will wind up class with lots of blessings. Bye-bye. Take care. Send your artwork here. This is my Instagram ID. Okay? Yes.